afternoon, folks. This is Jack and Jake at Best Trailers in Byron, Georgia. What we're showing here is a 716 concession trailer, which we have multiple sizes, shapes, and colors. Jake?
Give us a call, 478-654-5350. We have multiple financing options. We also can have it delivered to you within 72 hours anywhere in the United States.
Give us a call.
478-654-5350. Thank you so much.
All right, so what we got here is a 7x16. You've got a 3x6 concession window with a flip-up serving shelf below it. Tandem axles with stab jacks there on the back. It's got a receptacle on the outside underneath the window. The flat front, you got your motor base plug for the power there, and your drainage for your water tank. Then your inlet for your water for the sinks. You've got another exterior receptacle. Now this siding is Polycore 0.080 aluminum siding. It's a lot smoother than your standard aluminum. Inside here you've got base cabinets and overhead cabinets with the electrical package right there by the cabinets mounted up high. It's a sink package in this one, so you got a 3-compartment sink and a hand wash sink. It'll be a 25-gallon freshwater tank and a 35-gallon wastewater tank. 6-gallon hot water heater will all be mounted up underneath here, as well as all your plumbing. There's aluminum on the walls and ceiling, white aluminum. Rubber coin flooring, easy to clean. Very durable. Multiple receptacles inside, 2 on the window side of the trailer, and then 1 on the driver's side of the trailer, opposite the window. You've got a 6-foot hood installed. Now we can add fire suppression and propane if you would like fire suppression and propane added, as well as any equipment that you want in here, we can have that added as well. We got 2 4-foot LED lights in the ceiling, as well as an AC unit with heat.